So I've been sitting in traffic here for well over an hour at this point. It's 8 o'clock. It's actually almost 9 o'clock at night right now. There's obviously some sort of car accident was here. Not exactly sure what the hell happened. There's a tow truck. That car got pretty messed up. There's a lot of cops out here. There's another car that ran into the wall, and we finally just got past it. Like I said, it's taken me well over an hour to do that. Obviously that SUV that we saw on the right hand side there, and that black car that was in the wall, obviously those two collided at some point. And of course, as you can see, traffic completely cleared up now, and I'm moving along just as I normally would. So unfortunately I couldn't get really that great of a video, because I didn't have my camera mounted. But hey, living in a Los Angeles area, you'll definitely probably see more of those anyways. So thanks for watching, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, and check out some of my other stuff. All right.